Wow, I'm tired. And my legs hurt so much. But I'm so hungry. Oh wait, I have a remote control refrigerator. Let's see. Easy to use. Look at the buttons. Power. Hey, can I have some turkey? Thanks, Mr. Refrigerator.
No problem.
Do you have a cookie too?
Yeah.
He gives you everything you ever wanted. Not a normal refrigerator. The best.
Yo, I'm Carmelo Anthony, and when I get back from my basketball games, man, I am thirsty. Man, I need a Sprite right now. Oh no, wait! I got my remote control refrigerator. All I have to do is press the power button. Ooh, yeah. Man, can I have a Sprite? Man, thanks, refrigerator.
You're welcome.
Man, remote control refrigerator, man, it's what the champions do.
Hey neighbor, do you like your remote control refrigerator?
Yeah, I love it. It's what the champions do.
I forgot. You look so funny. Putting it in reverse. Wow. Hey, Mr. Refrigerator. Can I Can I have some turkey? Thanks, Mr. Refrigerator.
No problem.
Did I mention that the refrigerator talks? Isn't a plain refrigerator.
A cookie fell off your shoulder. See, I'm going for it. Yo, I'm Carmelo